you are doing the God of War Part 1 video. I'm sorry guys, I didn't do it on Saturday or something. I'm very sorry, I wasn't feeling like to do it. Okay, but good thing we're doing it now. Okay, here we go. No, I hate this one so much. I like this one more. It just seems like I'm not doing a video talking without a video on. Like, it looks like when I'm doing a video, it's just like I'm doing nothing. Sorry guys. No. I did the worst ever mistake in my entire life. This is gonna be longer than The Last of Us. I know, it will be longer. Yeah guys, I know I'm over here, but we're not gonna do it because we're like done. See, we just have to go up, go to this place, and then we're done. Okay guys, I'm just gonna have to restart. I have really OP armor. So sad. How do I restart? I haven't played this game for so long, so I couldn't. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. But I know how to fight and stuff. Okay, new game. Yes. Should I put Give Me God of War? Or screw it. Next time I'm gonna do this on an iPad. I don't know if I will. Okay, fine. I don't know if I will. I'm the one who has to press. Oh, it doesn't show you guys. Okay. Ooh. Sorry guys. I just haven't cut it. I just had to put the video on with that. I'll just take off. Okay, I don't care about it. You guys for the disconnecting. I was really sorry. It wasn't me. It wasn't me, I swear. It wasn't me. It just did itself. Okay, let's guys, if you can hear. Okay, guys, I see a glitch.
found some.
Get in the boat, boy.
I know how to walk. It's just gonna tell me. I don't know if it did.
Still want me to tie it to the boat?
Boy. That is enough.
Definitely.
Father,
What?
did something change? The forest feels different.
Everything is different, boy. Try not to dwell on it.
Yes, sir.
That actually brightened my eyes. I was like getting blurry because of that. This is not only a creator. This is not the creator who did this, but the creator did only do a little bit, and the other fans of this game made it even go more. So that's why it's really long. It has so much fans. I don't think so. It has more fans than Last of Us. I think Last of Us has more. I think so. One second, guys. Okay, guys. Miss your way. The bear. I'm just so much. I can't even skip.
That was the last.
I can't see how I skip. Let's see what's done. Let's put it dark. Just gonna look at every vehicle now. Now. Tutorial. Repeat tutorial mode. Give me God of War. You see that glowing thing behind? What? We click it.
Oh, there do I see my
This
mother.
is like how I run The Last of Us. Just like that.
Oh, there do I see my father.
Imagine, just
Oh,
controlling
there
it from
do they
here.
call to me.
It'll be so hard. Then I walk, run, crouch.
Oh, there do they call to me.
I run. So there, punch, shoot,
Oh, there do
hunting
they call to me.
rifle, and
Oh,
boy.
there do they call to me. Oh, there do they call to me. She's ready.
Hey. Wait, let's go to picture mode. Oh, I can't. Why can't I walk? Why can't to walk? I just need to
Find your way home.
Just see who's actually in there. Picture. I can't move. I can change the Kratos.
You are free.
I'm sorry.
Squeeze. This knife was hers. Now it is yours. Что ты want?
What she knew.
Show me.
Now?
Now.
This is just taking forever. I was told to skip. I really need to put some skip. They're so dumb.
What are we hunting?
You are hunting deer.
Is there like a skip like the Last of Us somewhere here?
Which way?
In the direction of deer.
Okay, this way.
It's so boring.
Father, why are we doing this now?
I need to know you can survive the journey.
Then we leave for the mountain?
Depends on...
Yeah, no, don't do that.
on you. Hunt. What did you find?
Tracks. Not deer, though. I'll keep looking.
Boy, you missed these.
Huh. Close. But also not deer. See? Tips are too wide. Mountain goat?
Your mother taught you well.
Yeah.
More tracks?
Yeah. But they're too round. Could be a wild boar.
Good.
Kratos is trash.
Oh! Now what?
This way, boy.
Hup! Oh. Wait, deer tracks. They're fresh. This way. Ugh. Ah! Found it!
Slow down, boy.
Sorry.
You are hunting deer, not chasing it.
Yes, Father. He broke our bridge. How are we gonna get across?
Step aside.
Wow.
Go.
Oh, what happened here? There it is!
Hold! What are you doing? Now its guard is up. Only fire. Only fire. When I tell you to fire.
I'm sorry.
Do not be sorry. Be better. Find it.
Okay, just 20 minutes. Just like 6
Find it.
Okay, here we go. Here's the fun part.
My bow!
No! You are not ready! Stay back!
It is pretty hard. If I was so good right now, I could have won. Okay, I only have like 2 tries. If I lose those 2 tries, I have to delete this game.
My boat!
No! You are not ready! Stay back!
Above you!
Just a little. I can't die this last time.
My boat!
No! You are not ready! Stay back!
Draugr. They've never come this close to our woods before.
Keep moving.
How much left? Okay, I have to end the video because it has been 25 minutes, but 26 minutes. Goodbye. I want to see your faces tomorrow. Don't forget, sub. I need you to sub because that helps me so much. Okay, goodbye.